Hey, my beautiful people, and welcome to my channel, and welcome back if you're a returning viewer. What is tea? What is good with you? I'll show you what is good with me, girl. This lace, okay. This lace, okay. No, okay. For real. Let's get straight into this tutorial. I know y'all wanted to see this. Me install this wig. I was really showing me love about this hair on Instagram, so we're gonna get straight into it. Y'all know we gotta start off with this bald cap. Hey y'all, I'm back with a little bit of commentary. I know I just like y'all to watch my videos without me doing a whole lot of talking. Just watch and focus and listen to my jams. No, but okay, so I'm going to tell you guys about this hair. This hair was provided by Curlyme Hair. This is their straight 13 by 4, 22 inch and 150% density wig. The longest inch you can get with this wig is a 26 inch and the shortest length is a 8 inch. For a 22 inch, it goes for $191. The hair type that I got with this wig was Brazilian hair. Also, the density I really enjoyed as well. Like, it goes from 150% to 180% to 250%, and the 150% is super natural. I recommend this density if you like something that reminds you of a sew-in almost. Really, really, really natural. But yeah, this hair came in a 22 inch and I did trim the bottom of the hair just a tiny bit, like literally just cut an inch off just so it can look a little bit more natural. And I really enjoyed this wig. I wouldn't even lie to you guys. This lace was a Swiss lace and it was light brown as well, which worked out for me. Usually I prefer light brown, not light brown, excuse me, transparent lace, but it is what it is. I enjoyed this lace just fine. But yeah, I did pluck this wig and I did bleach it myself. It did not come bleached or pre-plucked. And the knots, I don't know if I just didn't bleach the knots right, but on the left side of the wig, it was really hard to get the knots bleached, but everything else bleached really perfectly. But the outcome was still overall good. Alright y'all, we have made it to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, but before I close this video, I just want y'all to know that y'all need to invest in a hot comb, girl. This was only $18 at my local beauty supply store. You know, it's the Any brand. But yeah, hot combs are really the key, as well as wax sticks. Really the key to getting a super flat install, and I really love the outcome every time I do this method. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Each and every one of you. And you know, if you have a comment, question, or concern, I will answer it in the comment section down below. Make sure to check the description box for more information on this hair. Okay, ooh, end result, OMG, so freaking cute. But anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And 22,000 subscribers. I'll peep, y'all. Y'all are not going in unnoticed. This love is not getting unnoticed. I see it, I feel it, I love it. I am receiving it, and I'm giving it back to you guys. But all right, have a good day, morning, night, whatever time you're watching this, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.